Success comes to those who do hard work and never give up in the life. Hello everyone, this is Momin Anusha, former student of SS English Academy and the host of today's program. It's honor for me to host such a wonderful program. Thank you, Sam sir, to giving me such an amazing opportunity to host today's program. So you all are very much aware about today's program. Today we are all here to participate in a confidence building program. Confidence building name it shows that it will take our confidence to the next level. And I am damn sure after attending this program your confidence level will be high. Are you all are excited about it? Okay, so first let me tell you about the program. So the program is all about product and picture presentation. Some of our students will be speak about product and some of our students will be speak about the picture, and we have some pre-basic students, they will present a short speech. And do you know what's the purpose of today's program? So let me know you, the purpose of today's program is make you able to speak English in front of a big crowd. That's why after attending this program, you're able to speak English fluently. And we are grateful to have SS English Academy and as a part of it, because SS English Academy is continuously providing us a platform which we don't get in every institution. So without any delay, I would like to request Saim sir to come on the mic. ऐ कलम रुक जा अदब का मकाम आया है, ऐ कलम रुक जा अदब का मकाम आया है, तेरी नोक के नीचे मेरे उस्ताद का नाम आया है. Clap.
Thank you so much, Anusha, and very wonderful evening to one and all. I hope you all are excited about the program. You all are very much confident to present your speech. Am I right? Yes? Good. So I would like to tell the judges of today's program about today's competition. The competition is all about picture presentation and product selling competition. Means students are going to come with one product and they will speak few words about that product. And some of our students will come with one particular picture and they will speak the thing which is mentioned in the picture. Means they will explain the picture. And we have some pre-basic students also who are even not able to read English properly, but still they are going to perform speeches today. The main purpose of arranging this program is to get the confidence, which is very important, as Anusha said. And the most important thing about your presentation is time limit. They have 3 minutes time limit, which our volunteers are going to count. They are going to see the time. Within 3 minutes, they have to complete their speech. If they will cross 3 minutes, then they will be disqualified. So I hope you understood all the rules and regulations of the program, and I must say that you all are ready to perform, and you all are ready to show your confidence in front of large crowd. Yes? So I just request Momin Anusha to continue the program.
So without any delay, I would like to start the program.
Good evening to you all. I am Chaudhary Sadaf Sirajuddin. Today I am here to speak about Parle G. I would like to talk about few words about Parle G. Journey of Parle G was started in 1933. Parle G is a very famous biscuit in India. Many people are using Parle G with morning tea. Parle G is one of the most famous biscuit in the world.
Sai Zohra in front of you. I would like to speak some words about my product. My product name is Mehndi. Every girl and boy use some product for look good. Boys are use product like face mask, hair gel and cream etc. And girls are use product like primer, foundation, powder, lipstick etc. But Mehndi is a basic thing. Without Mehndi, every girls are incomplete. There are 2 types of Mehndi are available here. First is a Mehndi cone and second is a hair henna.
Start my presentation. Did you know the meaning of parents? According to me, the word sacrifice is the synonym of parents. Parents are the most precious gift that God could have ever given to me. Just like many other children, I am fortunate to have loving and caring parents. They love me more than their lives. They are very affectionate and caring. Now I am going to show a picture to you guys, which is heart-touching picture. So let's start the presentation. I hope you all can see this picture. In this picture, there is a boy who has no parents, and here is a wall with a drawing of a man and a woman. The child holding their hand as if they are truly his parents and stood beside him. This picture shows that how much this child misses his parents and how much is he innocent who thinks that the picture on the wall as his parents. He feels as if they are really his parents and his family is completed. He wants to show that he never alone. His parents are always with him. It is not just a picture, but a real picture of something in the world that make us to realize the blessings we have. There are so many pictures in the world that teach us a lot. I hope you learn something from this picture.
Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, this is Momin Asjad in front of you. It's a delightful evening and you are seeking of pure indulgence, that perfect balance between a rich chocolatey embrace and a delight crunch. Look no further because we have the answer for you. Bourbon biscuit. Bourbon is the product of Britannia Company. Britannia Industries Limited is an Indian company specialized in food industry, part of the Wadia Group and headed by Nusli Wadia. Founded in 1892 and headquartered in Kolkata. It is one of India's oldest existing company and best known for its biscuit products. The company sells its Britannia brand of biscuit, bread and dairy product throughout India and abroad. So let's taste it. Each bourbon biscuit is a symphony of flavor and bringing together the smoothness cocoa and sweetness of vanilla. It's a timeless classic that has delighted generation.
This is Nakim Momin in front of you, and today I would like to speak on my product. My product is a headphones. Headphones are a pair of small loudspeakers that was worn on around the head over the user's ears. They are electroacoustic transducers which convert an electrical signal to a corresponding sound. Headphones let a single user listen to an audio source privately in contrast to a loudspeakers which emit sounds into the open air for anyone nearby to hear. Headphones are also known as earphones. There are many big headphone companies like JBL, Bose, Sony, Hi-Fi-Man, which is the most famous company's board because of their quality, their cable quality, their sound bass, etc.
I have taken this picture from a video. In this first picture, the people who trying to help the old man to crossing road, but he rejected their help. In the second picture, the young girl who helped the old man to crossing road without knowing him. She crossing road with him and using her mobile phone. This act show that she is busy on a mobile, but actually she is helping him without knowing him. So the feeling of helping other need to develop in a people and especially the young generation. Because of pandemic, we people are more dependent on social media and internet. That's why the feeling of helping others seem less among us.
Is black water. It is said that water has no color, but nowadays in the market black water color is available. This is a special kind of water whose color is black, which is called black alkaline water. We can drink comfortably and is quite safe to drink.
So hello everyone, my name is Adim in front of you all, this student of SS English Academy, and today my presentation is on picture based. This is a picture of a book. As you can see, this is not a mug, it is a book, and it is our mind. This picture teaches us importance of books. The habit of reading good books enables us to become well educated and informed.
Yes, I am talking about Hamdard Ruh Afza. Both millennials and baby boomers are aware of this drink and they all have had distinct perspective on it. But the point is that we all are grown up with Ruh Afza and it has since become a significant part of our life. Ruh Afza is an Indian favorite soft drink and it has been rooted in our culture. Ruh Afza is a companion to khajur and the ultimate falda topping and now a carbonated drink as well.
Small river is situated between the village. There are preschool and there is a government school. There are too many fruits tree in the village. City life and village life both have their own important. Life in village and life in city is totally different from each other.
Last I would like to call the first judge of today's program, Ansari Zikra ma'am, to come and speak few words about the program. Clap for her.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening to one and all present over here. Respected dignitaries, Momin Saim sir, my co-judge Aisha madam, and the anchor of today's program. You all did a wonderful job. I would like to say, clap for yourself first. I would like to bring it to your notice that I have completed my schooling from this institute only. That is Ansari Farid Memorial Girls English High School. And it takes lots of courage to remain standing here and to deliver your speech or your words. Heartfelt congratulations to each and everyone present over here, the participants, the winner, and the one who approached here. And I would like to say gratitude, and I would like to show my sincerity to Momin Saim sir.
Well said. Last but not the least, I would like to call the second judge of today's program. Her name is Sheikh Aisha Arif. I request her to please come on this mic and speak few words about the program. Clap for her.
Hello. Yeah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everybody, and a very hearty evening to everyone present over here. Okay, so I've seen students who have performed here, and they have performed very well. Some of you, like, they forgot their speeches also. They were stammering, they were shattering, they were hesitating to speak as well. So I know it's not very easy to come over the mic, to come over the stage and speak in front of so many people. Yeah, as soon as your name is announced in the mic, you can feel your heart starts to pump blood faster, right? When somebody announces your name, ki now I call upon Sheikh Aisha Arif to come here and speak, even my heart starts pumping blood faster. Yes, it feels like somebody has just put some pins and needles in your body, right? So it takes a lot of courage to come and speak over here in front of so many people. So congratulations to everybody who came and spoke over here. Nextly, I would like to like to show my sincere gratitude to Saim sir for giving me this opportunity, and he always honors everybody. Like I would like to appreciate the way he treats us, right? Nobody does a lot for the people he's teaching to. Saim sir, he provided you refreshments also, so please clap for him for that, right? No teacher does this. No teacher will provide you refreshments, and especially when there is a lot of audience. So it's very costly to provide one samosa to each of you, right? So he goes beyond, imagination and does stuff for you. So you should appreciate that. Understood? And I would like to congratulate everybody who participated. Yeah. Now the results are going to be announced very soon. Even if you don't get a prize, don't feel humiliated. Don't think, I'm not going to speak next time because I didn't achieve anything. Yeah. Even if you don't achieve, it takes a lot of courage to come and speak over here. Okay, so even if you don't get the prize, don't get disheartened. Yeah, and congratulations to all of you. Thank you so much.
So without any delay, we would like to start prize distribution ceremony. We have first, second, third, 4 prizes. Then we have 2 consolations as well. And we have first, second in pre-basic, those who presented speeches. We are going to start with consolation, and the first is second consolation. We are going to start with second consolation, and second consolation award goes to Ansari Tufail. Clap for him. I request Aisha ma'am to give this award. second consolation. Anusha, clap for him for giving wonderful speech. Now first consolation award goes to first consolation. Any guesses? Ansari Rehnuma. Clap for her. First consolation. I request Aisha ma'am again to give this award. Keep clapping because ये prizes जो मिल रहे हैं 70 students में से इन लोगों को ये prizes मिल रहे हैं. So it's a big achievement. Now we are going to start with fourth prize. We have 2 fourth prizes, 2 3 prizes, 2 third one, and 1 second and 1 first. Then in pre-basic we have second and first, because in pre-basic we had only 8 to 9 students. So we are going to start with fourth prize. The first fourth prize goes to a girl who spoke so nicely, and her name is Ansari Ikra. Clap for her. Ansari Ikra. I request Zikra ma'am to give this award. Keep clapping. Second fourth prize goes to, any guesses? Her friend Ansari Sara. Second fourth prize. Clap for her. Now third prize. Third prize goes to again a girl who spoke very nicely, and her name is Momin Zoya Tanveer. Clap for her. She got third prize. We have one more third prize, and it goes to a girl who spoke very nicely about her product, and her name is Ansari Sidra. Clap for her. Ansari Sidra. Now we have second and first prize. Before that, we would like to continue with second prize in pre-basic. There were very small students who spoke so well, and second prize in pre-basic goes to Ansari Zoyan. Clap for him. I request Aisha ma'am to give this award. Ansari Zoyan. Keep clapping. Second prize in basic English. Again we are coming back to basic English. It goes to a boy, after a long time, a boy who spoke about, whose product was very sweet, and he spoke about Hamdard honey. Siddiqui Hamza, he got second prize. Keep clapping. Now first prize in pre-basic goes to a boy, and his name is Ansari Muhaddis. Clap for him. Come on, this is first prize. There should be a big clap. First prize in basic. Any guesses? First prize goes to a boy who spoke about Bourbon biscuit, and his name is Momin Mohammed. Clap for him. Photo ले रहे हो ना सब? Keep clapping.